The question is like what they're asking, if the switch is shifted from position 1 to position 2, then find the heat produced in the final circuit. Okay. Now once this is connected with 10 volt, then this how much charge is stored? What is the potential across this 5 microfarad? That is 10 volt.
10 volt.
There is no voltage across this 10 microfarad because it's not connected. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, once you connect with 10 microfarad, then across what is going to happen? First, this 5 microfarad is going to charge. Understood? This is uncharged, means here potential is 0. Initially, here potential is 10 volt.
Yes, sir.
Once you connect this 5 microfarad with 10 microfarad, there is a what? There is a transfer of charge is going to take place, and after a certain time, they will achieve a common potential. You need to find that. First of all, they are not asking common potential; they are asking heat produced in the final circuit. Just apply the formula directly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Heat produced formula is simply
in both 5 and 10. In both 5 and 10, 10 volt only will be the potential, right, sir?
No. Here it is 10 volt, but here 0 volt initially. After you connect, here we see common potential. Okay. Understood? Please solve. Simply directly apply the formula. Heat produce. Already we derive. So heat produced will be half C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 V1 plus minus V2. So here nothing to worry, like V2 is 0. Okay. Supply the formula simply. What is the answer? How much you are getting? Tell me fast.
2500 by 15, sir.
500 by 3.
5
microjoule. Okay.
500 by 3.
That is the answer what they are asking. Find the heat produced in the final circuit. Understood? Any doubt like? Is there any doubt like? Okay.